Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe to join the family. If I've been sticking around with me, thanks so much. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hold a high puff with your short natural hair. Okay, so this actually my hair is almost 2 years. It's going to be 2 years next year, somewhere May. So let's begin. First of all, you have to comb your own natural hair. Comb it very well, and after that you are going to part the front side. So we are going to hold the middle of the hair into a band, then we leave the front side. So you guys are going to see that in a minute. So you're going to leave the hair all around your head, and you hold the middle section into a band. Then you leave the rest of the hair around your head there. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. So after holding it into a band, then you're going to take your fro wig or fro hair or anything. So I'm using a wig. I achieved this look with my closure wig. What I did was I sew clips into the closure wig, like the hairnet. So you guys are going to see it. Okay, I sew the clips into it. I sew 4 clips, and I'll use that to hold my hair. So let me not talk too much. You guys are going to see it. So in this video, I'm not going to really talk too much because it's more of practicals. Okay, you're going to see how I do everything. All right, so enjoy the video and enjoy the music.